Kodor bar kor thank you like po. Henen kasngi kan riu torek unai lor. Hak ji kendo ba kinong pathai ko bor kala keno. Ba kala yo jing tem kebatikna ba nakalyang ba assertion thank you pat uba atyar thank you. Lam bat ki wei de ki brio jungki. Kidang peteng ke jing dit to e ka kendo kor kabalatep kerteng kum kalang liban bat kanong masi. Kibaran hapo upul usam jo kodor bar snong mau konro mau lai. Nang ta sakawai pat kebaran hathem pom dingiem la umkhra Shillong bat ka bahapo maupun hajan golfling Shillong. Habakaran bakinong pathai kubor ha Shillong Press Club. Uba Livingstone thank you. Rang ba kor jong kodor bar kor thank you like po. Ula pentep sekipai ba bakine baro ki kendo kor palajar kerteng kidai ki badang dan hapadang ka mokot duma hayang syari hadu kini kisingi bamenta. Kumta na kaliang jongki kilamana teng e kinu ki beriau ki badan ka jing temu banthet kini ki jaka jong ka kor na markani kalong ka kam ka babean. Hakajo ka por gila kenturu balada don kinu ki breu ki blaseu ya kapisa bat yo ya kaduler khendau kidai banwan pentep mardor sekirang bakor jongkodor barkor thank you like po khanang banla banya penbat ya kene
as authorized by the Barkor thank you like po simply for the reason that we have received specific information from very reliable sources that one Shri Assertion thank you and one Shri Atyar thank you have still been fraudulently indulging in selling or advertising our clan lands, which are known by these names as follows. One of our clan land is known as Langlibun and Nongmasi, situated at Mokonro, Maulai. The second clan land is known as Tempongdingim, situated at Laimkra. And the third is Maupun, situated at Golfling Shillong. In this connection, the Barkor thank you like po would like to inform the public at large that these clan lands, as mentioned above, have civil cases or title suits pending before competent courts of law. And as such, anything said or done in this matter regarding these clan lands is sub judice before the law. Therefore, the Barkor thank you like po issues a stern warning to any individual or individuals or group of people to indulge in any sale agreement or advance payments made thereof, as such fraudulent activities are totally illegal. At the same time, the Barkor thank you like po fervently appeal to the public at large that they should refrain themselves from entering into any sale agreement or advance payments made thereof, and if there is such, they should immediately inform the Rangbakurs of the Thank You Like Po clan.